Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth icon which is missing in your taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is click this, aligning your taskbar. You can see here a Wi-Fi icon and speaker and a bar icon together. Do a right click here and go with Edit Quick Settings and click on Add and go with Bluetooth. Okay, so click on done, and in that manner, you have just successfully added the icon in your taskbar. Okay, here you can simply turn on and turn off this, and you can use it for scanning Bluetooth devices. Okay, and let's say if you have added your Bluetooth icon here and it's not working, then let's proceed to the second step, which is you need to press Windows and R key together, and in the run window type services dot msc. Click on OK to continue. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your services, look for the service and system related to your Bluetooth. Okay, here we need to make it run and change the startup type in automatic. Just do a right click, go for properties, and change the startup type in automatic. Click on apply and OK. Once done, click it once again, the very first Bluetooth service. Go for properties. Go for start, restart, or you can go with start. If your start icon is not grayed out, you can go with restart. Okay. So once you're done with the first one, proceed to the second one and do the same. Okay. Go for properties again, change it into automatic, apply, and okay. And make it run again by doing a right click. And if your start is not grayed out, go with this, and if it's grayed out, then go with restart and proceed to the other one also. Okay, so once you're done with the services, just close this window and we need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, check if your Bluetooth icon is working and it's now there in your taskbar. Okay, and let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the next step, which is at the start icon, do a right click and go for device manager. Okay. So here in the device manager, you need to expand it and you need to look for Bluetooth. Okay. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow and select the Bluetooth adapter present in your machine. Now, here's the thing, you need to update this. Just do a right click, go for update driver, and in this window, you can choose two options, which is search for automatically and search for manually. Proceed to search automatically. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go back by clicking this backward arrow and proceed to browse my computer for drivers manually. Once done, proceed to the second option. And here you need to try out one by one the Bluetooth adapter. Okay, try the first one, then click on next, and try the other one and click on next, and check if what will work for you. Okay, so let's say if you don't see your Bluetooth option here at the device manager, okay, just simply click this action and then go for scan for hardware changes and tried it 3 to 4 times. Okay. Click on action again and go with action, scan for hardware changes, and you will be able to see your Bluetooth here and perform the steps that we have just performed earlier. You need to update the driver and search for automatically and manually. Okay. So once you're done with the device manager, just simply close this window and then restart your computer. Okay. Check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is at the bottom search bar, type edit power plan. Okay, so the moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Click on open to continue. Here in the edit plan settings, proceed to change advanced power settings. Okay. So if you can't find any options here, even if you had proceed, then click this backward arrow and choose this upper arrow rather, then choose what the power buttons do, and here go with change settings that are currently unavailable. Here under the shutdown settings, you will find a another option here, take and so on, under take that, and then mark check that, and I mean uncheck that, uncheck that, and then once you have unchecked it, go with save changes. Okay? So once you're done with the system settings, simply close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay? And once you have restarted your computer, check if your Bluetooth icon is now there. Okay? So let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last and important step, which is you need to open your File Explorer. At the bottom search bar, type File Explorer and then click on Open. Once you have opened it, select your C drive or the OS, activated OS. Okay, and then here you need to proceed to Windows. Double tap it. And here you need to look for System 32. Simply scroll down to locate it. Once you found it, double tap it to open. And here you need to type FS and this FSQUIRT. Okay, so let's search it to see. Okay, FSQUIRT. Let's just wait until the FS squirt will appear. Okay, here you need to do a right click. Okay, sorry, let's just wait until everything is ready. Okay, so here you need to do a right click. Okay, so let me just do a right click again and then go for save search, or you can copy this control C. Okay, or you can click this copy icon here. Once you have copy it, minimize it, and then do a right click and go with paste. So in that manner, you have just successfully pasted the Bluetooth here at the desktop screen. You can use it to receive and send text or any files that you want. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.